Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Motorola is here with another smartphone, the Motorola Defy official, with the IP68 rating and the amazing Gorilla Glass Victus. Early this year, Motorola announced a deal with a UK-based rugged phone maker Bullet Group. Now, Moto has unveiled the first phone from the partnership, the Motorola Defy 2021. This is the first Defy phone since 2012, and it has a rugged body with the internal similar to the Moto G9 Play. It will start with the 6.5-inch HD plus screen with a coring Gorilla Glass Victus. The panel sport a water drop notch for the 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The phone features a resin plastic body which is IP68 certified for the water and dust protection. Motorola also assured the Defy can operate in outside temperature ranging from a -25 degrees centigrade to +55 degrees centigrade. The new Defy is also advertises as a drop from proof from up to 1.8 meter height as long as it lands on the side or corner frame. Around the back we get a 48 megapixel main camera which is backed by two 2-megapixel module for the macro shoot and deep data. The Snapdragon 662 chipset sits at the helium added a 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigabytes expandable storage. You can get a big 5000 mAh battery with a 20-volt charging and the Android 11 with the Moto UX interface on top. The Motorola Defy will be available next week across European and South American markets for the equivalent of a €325. The USD price is $390. Further pricing or availability detail were not shared at this point because it's not available yet. So let me know in the comment section, are you like this new Motorola Defy 2021 smartphone, the IP68 rating, and the amazing Gorilla Glass Victus? Let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos and news. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.